Holy 10 opondwa kukaribwa kupunzirwa mota kurohwa kutanga achafa. Hi guys, welcome to T-Fayfaz TV. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Tera yamunzwe zvazvo akutaurwa naMujaya after paakatiza arohwa kutanga achafa. Mota yake yakatemwa yakapitwa zvese. Handizi guys not kudii tera yamunzwe.
Of the people. We want the people to be safe. Especially Mandoranga Gadavan Nezuga. Boys, Indo peace and in high school, Naga peace as a level. Not even one bottle landed on my body. And I would just like to thank also some of the people that were there trying to help us in the situation. By pizza. That's more a blame game, but unfortunately, when any sound did it again. When you sound did it again, and I was there, I'll show you the video, the entrance, and the Garo entrance, they want to John Cena on. I was respected, and I got to Mujaya. Where do I wear? Like a fake barretta looking like a comrade. Adarangari, Popampa, take a shit. But Pani 1 or 2 hours was mine. Anga Popis Mujaya. So, yeah, I'm still here. I can lie to you. But now we need to look into my investments. I can a PS system here. It's getting irritating. I can't even blame some of the fans. Frustration is going to see some. I'm Jaya, Buvana, and 7 here. Where Jaya was in the stage at go. And then myself. They do have 2 seconds to watch this. Might I say 2 minutes? Unenge wamira pakubva ipapo pafenyu kubva na7 p.m. The 2 minutes. Pamfana was shocked. Didn't know. What is it? What is it? I'm doing it 2 minutes. What is it? Remember? What I'm doing at 2 minutes. Let me read about Panya. What are how are you doing?
I love your songs.
Which one? Alright, I'll be with you guys just now. We'll be taking pictures. Listen, boy, sorry, it's about like 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, just wait. My daddy, boy, I'll coach. Hey, Sha, who doesn't do that? In any PC, the boys, the reason why I can't tell you Mama techniques and actions and is because you think I'm lying again. I was there. I got out. But I can touch up and hand over. Why? Because it's in my skills. But so that's how I do say us. But yesterday we really could have played. But hey, Mawan. It was a pathetic display of hooliganism. So you see these kids that are greeting me. These are some of the people that were there. Yesterday people came up with their families. But we enjoy. And then 2 or 3 people can cause my problem. We don't like that. But what we are doing right now is to collect one by one. You hear about them. Because Varusika. But blessings to you. I came here to show you proof of life. I'm still alive. As long as I'm still breathing till this age. I don't know what you imagine.
I'm sure guys you have heard from the horse's mouth Mujaya pachake. Nyaya iripo ndekuti Holy 10 kuimba anogona zvake, but problem ane too much pride. Don't forget kuti haisi first time Holy 10 achitemwa nemakeni, haisi first time Holy 10 achirohwa nevanhu. A lot of scenes akangowanda Holy 10 achitemwa achirohwa. It's not kuti vanomuvenga, but the problem ndekuti mukomana ane too much pride. Saka ndonyaya tati kuigrey Holy 10 akatemwa nemakeni. Haana kutozomboperforma guys, akatotadza kuperforma because makeni aitwa kunonzi kumwaiwa pastage. Ndonyaya yanga tati tukuigrey. Thank you so much guys. It's much appreciated.